Are you guys looking for a townhome in Summerlin area of Las Vegas with a rooftop deck? Well, in this video, we're going to be checking out the Cornwall floor plan, so stick around. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome everyone to Monument at Reverence by Pulte Homes. Now this community is located here in Summerlin. So we're about 25 to 30 minutes away from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. If you're on the 215, you're gonna exit Lake Mead, and then you're gonna take a west on Lake Mead. You'll see this community. It's gonna be right in the corner, right by the traffic light. Beautiful community. I just wanna show you. It's a gated neighborhood right over there, okay? This community backs into like the mountains right over here. Now over here, they're gonna make this community pool, which is gonna be really, really nice, okay? But yeah, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. Now this is a townhouse community. They're gonna offer 3 different floor plans here. They're gonna offer the Branton, Cornwall, and the Danbury. These homes are gonna range from about 1654 square feet all the way up to 1869 square feet, with the base prices ranging from $486,990 all the way up to $510,990. With the base prices, just know that the lot premium and upgrades are not included, okay? Now in this community, they are building spec homes for the most part. So spec homes are just quick move-ins. The builders choose all the options. That way they could start production on it, and that way, you know, the buyers could close a lot sooner on these homes. They're gonna have models that close within the next few months. They do have a few dirt lots, which they will allow the buyers to build from lot up. But out the door, you're looking at, the base prices are gonna be in the high 400s, low 500s. After lot premium and upgrades, you're looking at mid 500s to high 500s, okay? Still below the 600 mark. Some of these floor plans are gonna be really nice. Like one of the options has a optional rooftop deck, which is really cool. Now, a little bit about the community, guys. With this community, there's gonna be 168 townhomes here. Again, they have the community pool, it's gated, and all the models are gonna have 2-car garages, okay? Lot premiums are gonna start at about 2,000 here, 2,000 all the way up to like 70,000, okay? So it really depends. Now, as far as the HOA goes, you'll have the master plan fee of $60 a month, sub association fee, which is a monument fee of $125 a month. So together those are, it's $185 a month. And then you'll also have a SID assessment, okay? So the SID assessment is $386 a year, but you pay that every 6 months. So you make a $193 payment every 6 months, okay? But yeah, guys, that's about it. So let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Cornwall floor plan. Now the Cornwall floor plan is 1736 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. And with this model, if you built from lot up, you have you could do an optional rooftop deck as well, okay? And instead of 3 bedrooms, you could do an optional 2 primary suites. So yeah, let's take a look. Oh yeah, the base price is $493,990. Okay. Now out the door, including lot premiums and the upgrades, you're looking at the mid 500s. Okay, so around the 550 range. So this is nice. You have like this little courtyard area. Okay, you got your large slider right there. Now these pavers, again, everything right here, what you see will be included. Now it also looks like you have the 2 lights, and you have the pre-wire for the ceiling fan right up there. Okay, so you have this 8-foot door. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on both the first and the second floor. Okay, welcome in. I do like this layout. Right when you walk in, it's very open. It just flows really nicely. Okay, I love the design too. Okay, so you do have like your kitchen area right here. your kitchen, dining room, living room. Now to the right, you're gonna have your coat closet. Okay, now these doors right here that you see, they're gonna be 8-foot doors, and then you'll have your 9-foot ceilings. Okay, so welcome to the kitchen. So you do have the optional, this quartz countertop, as well as the cabinets. Okay, it looks like dark is coming back in style now. I know a lot of, I know white was pretty popular. I mean, white's still popular, but I'm seeing more and more dark cabinets these days. Okay, so you will have the Whirlpool appliance package. Now in that package, the refrigerator, washer and dryer is not included. Okay, right here we do have the optional Whirlpool cooktop. It's a built-in cooktop. Otherwise, the standard, you'd have like the oven cooktop. But again, most of these homes are going to be spec homes, a quick moving home. So they'll have, if you're interested in a plan, I could tell you exactly which plans are going to be available and what options they chose in that plan. Okay. So you got this stainless steel dual basin sink, upgraded matte black faucet right here. Okay, the microwave, the built-in microwave and oven. Okay, very nice kitchen. So the garage is locked, but as you can see, there's space right there. That's the tankless water heater. Okay. And then you'll have your powder room right here. So you have your sink. Okay, and your toilet. And right here, you're gonna have your pantry. Okay, so you can store more things in there. So yeah, they definitely, they're trying to utilize the underneath the stairs right here. Okay, beautiful upgraded stair rails. Oh, I want to show you this as well. And curious to know, if you want to know what the dimensions of the rooms are, here you could pause the video here. Now this is just how the first floor is set up. That's the dimensions of the first floor, and we got like your owner suite. Okay, so we got like 16 by 4 by 15 by 7. Here are the bedroom dimensions. Okay, so actually this model has the 2 suites, so it won't have these 2 bedrooms, but it'll have this option. So we'll take a look at that. And then lastly, they have the rooftop deck, which we'll take a look at as well. So we're headed up here. Now, to the left, you're going to have your primary suite. Okay, this is going to be your king size bed. Okay, now in the primary suite, as well as the living room, you're always going to have like the pre-wire to the ceiling fan. But if you want in any of the other bedrooms or rooms, you have to upgrade. Okay, so welcome to the primary bath. We do have this nice walk-in shower. You got the dual sinks. Okay, it looks like we have the standard, this quartz countertop right here. And we have your walk-in closet. Very good size walk-in closet. Remember, we do the ceilings on the first floor and the second floor are going to be 9-foot ceilings. So we do have your laundry room. Now again, the washer and dryer not included. Okay, and looks like we do have some upgraded cabinets. There's going to be your smart panel box. This is where you would connect your router and your modem. So this is the hallway. Now it looks like we have, this is gonna be your linen closet. Now this over here, again, so they went with the optional suite. Otherwise you'd have 2 bedrooms right over here. So yeah, this room is very spacious. Nice walk-in closet. If you prefer to have like the 2 optional suites, most likely, my best bet is you would have to build from lot up, because most of the spec homes that they're gonna build, I'm guessing they're gonna build it with a 3-bedroom. It's always easier to sell a property if it has 3 bedrooms compared to 2. Like the 2 optional suite is nice, but it's very niche. So not too many people would want that, unless there's very few that would, you know, that they would look at that and be like, oh, that would work out perfectly for me. So most people would want 3 bedrooms. Okay. Now this is where they have the rooftop deck. So let's check it out. Now, even with the rooftop deck, if you chose to do that, the models with the rooftop deck are still coming in less than 600,000. Well, that's as of today, right? So it's like, it's May, but I mean, prices are subject to change. But as of right now, you could get a rooftop deck, have all the upgrades, you'd be under 600. Okay, so this is really nice. All right, now guys, if you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit, and I'd be honored to help you out through the process. But if you're using a realtor, let your realtor know that you're interested in new constructions. Make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, because once you go by yourself and the builder agent gets your name, your email, and your phone number, they won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation, because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest. We as realtors, we look after your best interest. So that's really important. But yeah, if you guys have any more questions, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, or if you just need help with the process, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.